How to transfer Agoda Cash into bank account. First things first, if there are some discrepancies about your bookings or your trips specifically from Agoda, it will automatically be transferred over to your Agoda Cash balance. Unfortunately, Agoda Cash doesn't have this option to transfer your remaining balance or whatever funds that you have from Agoda directly to your bank or even to your e-wallet. But what you can do on your end is to first things first is to make a refund on that certain trip in which there are issues that Agoda is just converting it directly to your balance on your Agoda account. Next thing is, you can go ahead and try to sell any of your friends or any people that you would like to book directly from Agoda and have them paid directly to your bank account and use your Agoda balance to pay for that specific booking. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to transfer your Agoda cash into your bank account.